Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another ink installation video, and today we're going to be showing you how to install the ink on the HP Envy Inspire 7955E. If this video ends up being helpful, I ask that you like the video. Any questions at all, comment below, and if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. So really what this video is going to cover is showing you exactly how to install the ink cartridges. Now a lot of the setup is going to be through the HP Plus app, so that's what you're going to want to use up until the point where you get the instructions to install the HP ink. Now what I really love about the ink cartridges on this specific printer is the fact that the actual ink cartridges serve as the print head as well. Whereas on another printer, that print head could have error codes, could have some kind of clog. This printer is not going to have any of those issues. That's a really big aspect of printing. That's really going to save you a lot of time and hassle in the future. So at this point, we are going to be unwrapping the ink cartridges, getting them prepared for install. And once you lift up the top of the printer, you're going to have access to the ink cartridge carriage, which is right there on the right. You also have instructions on where exactly to put the different colors. You see black is black. The purple is actually the color, which contains 3 different colors: cyan, magenta, and yellow. So the first one we're going to install is this black ink cartridge. So you want it facing you, where it says HP and the number 64. You're going to place it down in there, and then you're going to use your finger to slide it in, and you want to hear a click. Once you hear a click, it is firmly installed and it is ready to go. Now we're going to install the following ink cartridge, which is the color ink cartridge. It is purple on the top and purple indicated on the printer for you to install that into the carriage. So the same way you install the black ink cartridge is the same way you're going to install the color. You're going to lay it down in there. You want the bottom to be facing down, and you want the HP and number 64 with the tricolor facing you. You're going to lay that down in there, and once it's laid down in there, you're going to push it in. Once you hear a click, it is fully installed. So that's really all there is to it. There's not much more. So I hope that this video was helpful. If it was, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, again, make sure to comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.